Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and let me show you how to create a new note in Samsung Notes. So at first you have to open Samsung Notes. This is the app icon. Click to open. And here tap on Add button to create a note. At your upper bar you will find several options, several features that you can use here. So at first you've got keyboard, so you can smoothly enter something on your keyboard. Let me leave it this way. Then you've got a different kind of pens. So here you can switch between particular ones. Then you can also change the size and the way it is written. A bit lower you've got the colors, so you can select the colors from the panel, or if you'll tap here again you can use the spectrum option, however you like. Then a few more options over here and then eraser. You have also the selection mode here, then the colors. So if you are using, for example, one kind of pen here, then you can smoothly switch between the colors over there. Here you can change the size. Obviously you can go back and recreate some action. And here you can also write with a particular letter, so it will be like writing with the correction to keypad letters, just like this. You can see it here. So let me undo it. And for example, if you want to create a note, at first you have to select the pen that you want to use, the color, and let's start with some title. Then you can draw anything you want here. So let me make a heart here. Then you can switch the color over here, as I told you. And let me pick, for example, this one. Then the size of our pen. Again, all the same. Now we can use another pen. So let me choose this pencil, maybe that one. And here these are actually all of them works differently. So this one allows you to write lines only, so it's like just you cannot make like a circle, just the lines. Then for example this one allows you to write however you like. And then you can check all of them if you want. Different shapes, different way of usage, and so on. Once you want to remove something, just tap on eraser, and you can pick two options: stroke eraser or area eraser, however you like. But let me do it this way, so we can remove it smoothly. If you select area eraser, you'll have to pick the size also and go like this. Also, kind of interesting function here is this A letter. This is for changing the style of your note. So for example, if we'll tap on it, it will change the color. If you'll change the color here, we'll be able to switch, for example, this one into this particular color. So you can do it with like this with every area that you wrote here. So that's it. Then you can explore all the functions. Then you can add a title to your note, and then smoothly go back. As you can see, it is already saved. So you can always go back to this note, recreate it, remove it, or share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.